Today we're going to be discussing Shiba Inu Coin and Vitalik Buterin. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach. Welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of what you would do if you got a billion Shib in your wallet this morning. You just woke up, a billion Shib was there. Let us know. Would you hold? Would you sell it? Let us know what you would do with that Shib. But yeah, anyways, let's get into today's video. Shiba Inu Coin currently valued at about 2170 area. Also, we are up 4%. Make sure that you guys, if you haven't already, leave a like and subscribe, as it really helps with the growth of the channel. Also, go ahead and get signed up with Public with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1. You'll get up to $300 worth of free stock. You can then sell and invest in a Shiba Inu Coin and get yourself some free Shib with that first link in the description. I personally got $300 worth of Amazon a week ago, and also $50 worth of Shopify and Peloton. So if you guys want to try your luck, go ahead and get signed up with that first link. And then also go ahead and get joined up with our private Discord to get our buy and sell alerts. If you guys don't know, we're doing a $100 Bitcoin giveaway at 100 patrons. Currently, we're at about 78, so 22 more people, and we will be giving $100 worth of Bitcoin away to one of our Discord members. So get joined up with our second link in the description. But yeah, Shiba Inu Coin up 4% today. We're going to be going over a plethora of news in this video. So if you guys want to, hear everything that we have to say, go ahead and stick around until the end of the video for my technical analysis as well. But let's get into it. So Shiba Inu Coin, first I want to say they have reached 2.7 million followers on Shiba Token's Twitter. It's the official, obviously, Twitter account for Shiba Inu Coin. They've been over 2 million for quite some time now, but now hitting 2.7, obviously probably off some hype with the whole partnership that they're teasing. We obviously went over this video in a previous video that we made, and then also releasing the Shibaverse. Shiba Inu Coin has been in the news a lot this week, so awesome to see them getting to 2.7 million followers. And not only that, but we're also going to be going over this Vitalik Buterin tweet here in a second, but that's going to be a little bit later in the video. First, I do want to mention that banks that offer crypto services will double in 2022, according to a study by American Banker. If any bank takes this seriously, this will set off a crypto bull run, and that's just something I want to mention. And we don't really talk about too much crypto news outside of Shiba Inu Coins in these videos, but there's like a lot of bullish things going on, like Tesla owning 42,000 Bitcoin currently, and that is valued at $1.5 billion. So I just want to mention, guys, a lot of bullish things going on with crypto right now. It seems like we found a bottom in this market. So if you guys are totally out of it because you sold out of it waiting for a bottom, personally, I think we have found a bottom for the crypto markets right now, but who knows when we will be setting off our new bull run. I think it could be soon though. But yeah, another thing to mention, 60 million Shiba Inu tokens were burnt via Shiba search engine's ad revenue. Now this is something I haven't used. Obviously, you can see I'm using Google Chrome right now. This is something I have not used yet. A lot of people have been kind of saying, hey, it's a really cool thing. You get to burn Shiba Inu Coin just by using the search engine. I don't know what they're doing with my data, so I just want to say, guys, I'm not using this. However, I think it is cool that they are using the revenue that they are getting to burn Shiba Inu Coin. But yeah, after months of conceptualization, Mr. Dran's brainchild, the Shiba search engine, finally materialized in November. And yeah, basically, in the manifesto, Dran claimed two things. One, the project via burning would make it possible for Shib to go beyond 1 cent, and it would be able to stop devious whales from trying to pump and dump their Shiba to their advantage. So yeah, they just made their first burn, which was about $1,200 worth of Shiba Inu Coin that was burned by this search engine. So cool to see we have another thing to burn Shiba Inu Coin. We're going to need a lot of these things if we want to burn as much as we can. But yeah, now let's get into the whole Vitalik Buterin Shiba Inu Coin thing. So crypto relief update. We've been in discussions with Vitalik Buterin on how to accelerate relief efforts in India, and we have come up with a solution. We will be moving 100 million USDC back to Vitalik, a non-Indian, to do fast deployment with high risk/reward projects. Crypto Relief sending 100 million of the Shiba funds back to Vitalik, so Vitalik will have $100 million worth of those Shiba Inu funds back in his possession. I plan to personally deploy these funds with the help of science advisors to complement Crypto Relief's existing excellent work. So really just cool here to see Vitalik Buterin using Shiba Inu Coin for good, helping people around the world, obviously, with our pandemic. But anyways, also there was Coingape that did kind of comment some other things on this, so I do want to go over it. He'll be using higher risk, higher reward projects, so he's basically trying to do a lot of good with this money that was given back to him, and he donated, or in May, he did donate 50 trillion SHIB tokens worth about 1.2 billion, and they're sending $100 million back to him so that he can do good around the world as well. So Shiba Inu Coin out here changing people's lives, helping save people's lives, and now Vitalik Buterin is going to be doing things with these funds as well. Now, obviously, Satoshi has been on Twitter asking, hey, SHIB token wants to be involved with this as well. We want to help you in any way possible. So yeah, not only is Vitalik, possibly or doing some really awesome things, but maybe SHIB token can help out, our community can help out in some ways as well. So just some really awesome things going on with Shiba Inu Coin. I know we all want to have all the gains and everything, but just being able to help people around the world is something really cool to see out of the SHIB community. But yeah, also another thing I want to mention, kind of switching gears, Shiba Inu price analysis. SHIB enters a bullish region at the 2148, which we're obviously above right now. So if you guys don't know, I like to look at a lot of other people's price analysis of Shiba Inu Coin and other coins I'm looking at. Just as it's good to have more than one opinion, it's better. I'm not some end-all be-all with my analysis, so it is good to see some of these things. Basically, a breakdown. Shiba Inu price analysis is bullish today. The strong support presented is at the 2012. Obviously, you guys know I have my support at the 20. The trading price of SHIB is at 2148. But yeah, I do want to kind of just go over the conclusion that they made. The Shiba Inu price analysis concludes that the cryptocurrency follows a stable bullish trend. The cryptocurrency has shown much room for bullish activity. The volatile increases as bulls tighten their grip on the market, and they seem to maintain their momentum and might soon engulf the market. However, due to this, bears might also gain a substantial opportunity to make their market there. So it seems like a very fence-sitter type of thing, just saying, hey, it can go either way. Personally, I think it's bullish. They say that, hey, today at least it is bullish, and going forward in the short term it looks bullish. I think also long term we look extremely bullish, especially if we get the Robinhood listing, like you'll see in my next video I put out today. But yeah, now let's go over the global crypto market. So we can see here that the global crypto market is up 2.4%. That's a $1.72 trillion market cap. Bitcoin and Ethereum both in the green today, as well as Shiba Inu Coin sitting here at the 15th spot. And the volume is only at 548 million. However, I think this is just a calm before the storm, before we get a Robinhood listing or some other announcement that really takes our volume really high and we go up a ton. But we are up 4% today, so let's go over this technical analysis now. We can see that Shiba Inu Coin has a resistance at the 24 as well as a support at the 20. Currently, we are actually seeing a pretty big green candlestick right now, and the RSI is at 62. We are trading up on the MACD. So yeah, I think we could possibly test the 2275-ish area today. If we get above that, then we will be testing the resistance at the 24. Personally, I see about 4 to 5% more in gains today by the time you see this video, but who knows. Personally, I'm just on the lookout for this resistance at the 24 and support at the 20. But we are trending up on the MACD. Everything looks bullish going through the rest of today. But yeah, make sure you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1. You'll get up to $300 with free stock. And then also get signed up to our private Discord to get our buy and sell alerts and a chance to win $100 worth of Bitcoin. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe. That's going to be it for this video. My name is Zach, and hope to see you in the next one.